Loves, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I've been asking a company to make a curler unit that's blonde for the longest, and they kept telling me it couldn't be done, but Eunice finally came out with one, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I do anything to it. So this does look cute, but I wanted to tweak it a little bit. I wanted to ash it out and make the roots a little bit darker, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. But I wanted to show you guys how it came fresh out of the box, and I noticed that this lace did look a little bit dark to me. I'm not sure what kind this is. I'll double check and leave it down below. But yeah, the knots on the unit weren't black. They were like the darkest brown color of the wig. So I did want to go ahead and lighten those up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just let this sit for about 20 minutes and then I washed it out with the Shimmering Lights generic brand shampoo from Sally's, just a purple shampoo. And that alone did a really good job at like getting some of the brassiness out of like the strands and the roots from the bleach. But I am going to go on top of that with this Willa Charm T18. This is ash blonde, I believe, or lightest ash blonde. So it's 2-to-1. So it's one container of the toner and then 2 containers of the developer. So originally I had out the 30 volume because I couldn't find my 20, but I found my 20, so that's what I'm doing. Am I talking fast, y'all? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm just filling this up twice because I only use 1 bottle again, and then I'm just going to go in with some gloves and completely saturate the unit in the toner.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah.
So I let the toner sit for about 20-25 minutes, and then I washed it again with the Shimmering Lights generic brand purple shampoo, and this is what the unit looks like now. And now it's time to get these roots dark. So I have a video on this if you guys want like a detailed reasoning and explanation and stuff of why I'm doing this, but I'm just putting this Gorilla Glue on the unit to protect the lace, and it'll keep me from dyeing the knots back black. So I like to do 2 layers just to be safe, but you just need a thin layer. That was actually too much. You see I scooped some off to the side, but a nice thin layer. Make sure it's evenly coated so that it dries quick, and then you just dry, and then I do it twice, and you should get like a nice just smooth little coat at the bottom.
Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time.
So for the roots, I originally wanted like a really dark brown or a natural black, but I couldn't find natural black, so I got this soft black Revlon, and I just put the wig back on the wig head. This is my dyeing wig head, y'all. That's why it looks so crazy, because I color on this one. And to make it just really easy and the process really smooth and less messy, I go in with the toothbrush. I just put the dye on the toothbrush just like toothpaste and just brush it on section by section, and this just helps me like really get up in the roots, and it helps to like wispy out the dye so it doesn't just look like a harsh line right there. It helps to give it like that gradient effect.
You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more.
So I didn't really worry about the back. I just did the top part that would show like if the hair separated a little bit. So I only did like the top few tracks at the top, and then I just completely did the front.
Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry.
So I just let the dye sit for about 30 minutes, and then I washed it with the Shea Moisture coconut shampoo, the white one. And now I'm just going to go ahead and deep condition with my Lovely Bees Oh Honey Moisture Mask, because this is blonde hair, and no matter where you get it from, I feel like blonde hair just always looks so dry, so I have to deep condition, and I'm going to use my Therma Pouch. So this one is actually the old one. I don't have their newest one, but they did come out with a newer version. But I just go ahead and I put my wig inside of either a plastic bag or a wig cap like this, not wig cap, what is this, a shower cap like this, and then I just cut it on and drop it right in, let it sit for about 15 or 20 minutes. You do have to be careful because it does get hot. One time I used a Ziploc bag and I left it in for like 30 minutes and it almost melted the bag, so you do want to be careful when you take it out. But it really just helps to keep the hair like moisturized and soft, because again, this is blonde hair.
Give it
for plucking the unit. So now we have all the coloring done. I'm going to go ahead and get this hairline to look as natural as possible. I'm not doing a detailed version in this video because it's just going to be long already as is. So if you guys want a detailed version on how I pluck or my most recent plucking video, I will leave it at the top and in the description box for you guys.
And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you until.
So for styling, I'm just going in with my Lovely Bees Leave It Be Leavin', something super moisturizing, and then I'm going in with the Shea Moisture. It's an anti-frizz gel. I can't remember the exact name of it. I don't really care for it. I think I only kept it for my wigs, but it did the job here.
Transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you.
And now this is like the icing on the cake for all of my wigs. If you've been watching my videos for a few months now, you know I have been swearing by this Perfect Line Knot and Grid Concealer. So yeah, this is in the shade 10. This is their updated color for 10 because they upgraded a few of their colors. And this literally makes your wig look like scalp. It covers the knots, it covers the grids, so like it doesn't just look like a piece of fabric in your parting area, and it blends so freaking well. So I'll leave a link for this down below for anybody that wants to try it out, but I promise you will not be disappointed. It is a little bit of a learning curve when you first apply it, but I have a video showing how to apply it, and then I have a video showing all of the shades as well that I'll leave for you guys down below. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the lace. You guys know I like to cut as close to the hairline as possible, but then I still alter it a bit once I put it on.
Makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Yeah. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba.
So once I have the wig shaped in position to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and map out where I'm going to put the glue. So I've tried white eyeliner, I've tried like skin color eyeliner, I've tried different type of pencils to map out where to put my glue, and they're just so hard to like wipe off or blend out. So what I've been doing recently is just going in with a little bit of my foundation on a small brush, and I'm just outlining where to put it. This way it's super easy to blend out, especially if you already have makeup on like me. I was in a rush. I would typically do this without makeup, but I was on a time crunch, so I'm just going to go ahead and use some alcohol to remove the part where I'm going to put the glue. But yeah, foundation works like a freaking charm, you guys. And now I'm just going to go in with my Lovely Bees Edge Control to slick my edges back because I am using real glue this time, and I didn't do the ball cap method. Y'all know I have not been messing with it. But yeah, I'm just slicking my edges back, and then I'm going to use the Erica J Hold Me Down glue.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
So I already had my mind set on doing baby hairs because one, it's a curly unit and I love baby hairs with curly units. And also because the lace looked a little bit dark, but surprisingly the lace blended pretty freaking good to look dark like before I had put it on. But yeah, I'm just going to put a little baby hairs, like just the 2 little swoops on the side. You guys can see I did not tack down my sideburn areas with the glue because I just feel like I have so much hair right there. And sometimes I will get like the dermaplane and like shave it down a bit, but I just didn't want to pull out my sideburn. So I'm just going to use my edge control to slick that part down and hold like the little ear tabs down. But yeah, I'm just tying this down really quick just to add some extra hold with that Insta Hold spray. Remove that, and then we're going to slick these baby hairs.
Down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no.
So wig is pretty much done, but the front was looking a little dry to me, so I'm going in with this Argan Oil Mousse just to add a little bit of more moisture back to the front, especially like the really, really blonde pieces. Those were like kind of fuzzy. And then I'm just going to clean up my parting just a bit with a little bit of, this is actually my eyebrow pencil. It's whatever was left on for my eyebrows, so whatever brown color is on there, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the part a bit. But that is it for this video, you guys. Everything will be down below in the description box, including coupon codes, direct links, any videos you may need. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more.